Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Social media, constant notifications, and never ending emails. If you feel like you can't focus for more than a few minutes, you are not alone. But what if you could train your brain to work deeply without distractions and achieve 10x more in less time? That's what we are going to explore today. Deep work is the ability to focus intensely on cognitively demanding tasks. This is where real progress happens when you write, code, design, or strategize without distractions. The opposite is shallow work. Things like checking emails, replying to messages, and browsing the internet. While these tasks feel productive, they don't move you forward in any meaningful way. Think about the most successful people: authors, entrepreneurs, and innovators. They all have one thing in common: they spend hours in deep work. It allows you to master difficult skills, produce high quality work, and stand out in a world where most people are distracted. The modern world is designed to steal your attention. Social media thrives on keeping you hooked. Multitasking tricks you into feeling productive, and instant gratification from notifications rewires your brain to crave distractions. But don't worry, there are ways to fight back. Mastering deep work isn't about willpower, it's about strategy. First, eliminate distractions by silencing notifications and creating a dedicated workspace. Then, schedule deep work sessions, starting with just 25 minutes and gradually increasing. Use techniques like time blocking and Pomodoro to structure your workflow. And most importantly, set clear goals before you start. To make deep work a habit, build a routine around it. The best time for deep work is usually in the morning when your brain is fresh. Stick to a specific schedule, use noise cancelling headphones or focus friendly music. And at the end of the day, review what you have achieved. This keeps you accountable and helps you improve over time. Not everyone works the same way, so find a deep work strategy that fits your life. Monastic workers cut out distractions completely. Bimodal workers schedule long blocks of focus. Rhythmic workers follow a daily routine, while journalistic workers fit deep work into available time slots. Which method works best for you? Deep work takes practice, and challenges are normal. If distractions pull you in, use website blockers. If time is an issue, start with just 30 minutes a day. If motivation fades, track your progress. And if your environment is too noisy, create a focus-friendly space. Small adjustments make a big difference. Here's a challenge for you. Set aside 60 minutes daily for deep work. Use a timer, eliminate distractions, and commit to just one focused task. Do this for a week, and you will be amazed at how much more you accomplish. Deep work is your secret weapon in a world full of distractions. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Take control of your focus, build better habits, and start today. How do you handle distractions? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And of course, if you found this video helpful, do like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And do practice deep work. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.